Electronic line leak detection is a method of performing leak tests on your lines at a site to ensure that those lines are not leaking. ELLD is an optional software package on the TS550 EVO. Most people are familiar with statistical tank testing, but a unique feature that Franklin Fueling System has is statistical line leak detection. It allows us to take pressure readings throughout the day, in between dispenses, and statistically evaluate that data to determine if there's a leak. This becomes critical for sites that are very busy with very little downtime. The more fuel they dispense, the less time there is for leak detection software and equipment to do their job. So the ability to do statistical leak detection is huge at sites that are very busy. We use a leak generator kit which gets installed on the submersible to generate a 3-gallon per hour leak. With that leak generator, we learn the pressure characteristics or decay curve for each individual line. That transducer is installed in the leak test port on the submersible. Fairly quick and easy installation. So once the leak generator is installed, learning the line is very simple. You go back to the EVO, or your laptop for that matter, and navigate using the quick jump menu to the line section and the specific line you want to learn. Then you select control and you start your learn process. The real advantage of AutoLearn is that we learn the individual characteristics of each line. And what that allows us to do is extrapolate what a leak would look like. And there are several advantages to that. One primarily is that we don't have to enter the line characteristics such as the diameter and length that may not be known for every site. And it eliminates any human error or tampering with those values. Leak detection is extremely important for every site. You know, any puncture in the line or leak between your submersible and your dispensers could become very catastrophic very quickly. And the ability of the line leak detection system to see that is important at every site. The combination of our electronic line leak with the AutoLearn technology allows us to have higher piping capacities than most. We can do 312 gallons of rigid piping and up to 95 gallons of flexible piping. And those values can be combined if you ever have a circumstance where you need longer distances. So a real-world example might be a technician on a site forgets to fully connect or tighten down a flex connector. That may leave a leak path. Our electronic line leak would power the submersible to pressurize the line. Once the submersible shut off, we start watching the pressure and look for our learned pressure decay. And if the pressure decay exceeds our learned threshold, we will alarm and shut down the line. Simply put, our leak detection system can handle larger sites with longer piping and more demand.